Here's some nature photography trivia. Subscribe. Which organization hosts an annual nature photography contest? Is it A, Nature's Best Photography, B, National Wildlife Federation, C, Environmental Defense Fund, or D, World Wildlife Fund? The correct answer is A, Nature's Best Photography. In what medium did Galen Rowell primarily work? Is it A, oil painting, B, color photography, C, digital art, or D, black and white film? The correct answer is B, color photography. Which location is known for stunning underwater photography opportunities? Is it A, Sahara Desert, B, Bermuda Triangle, C, Great Barrier Reef, or D, Arctic Ocean? The correct answer is C, Great Barrier Reef. What is the primary focus of landscape photography? Is it A, urban architecture, B, wildlife portraits, C, natural scenery, or D, historical events? The correct answer is C, natural scenery. Which day is celebrated worldwide as Earth Day? Is it A, June 30th, B, March 15th, C, December 5th, or D, April 22nd? The correct answer is D, April 22nd. What is a primary concern for nature photographers at sensitive sites? Is it A, focusing on profit, B, disturbing wildlife, C, conservation, or D, capturing urban scenes? The correct answer is C, conservation. What technique is often used in nature photography to enhance detail? Is it A, flash photography, B, motion blur, C, high dynamic range, or D, black and white? The correct answer is C, high dynamic range. What piece of equipment is vital for nature portrait photography? Is it A, telephoto lens, B, tripod, C, flash, or D, wide-angle lens? The correct answer is A, telephoto lens. Which famous photo book features landscapes from North America? Is it A, American Photographs, B, The Black Book, C, Uncommon Places, or D, The Americans? The correct answer is D, The Americans. What type of photography highlights intricate details of living organisms? Is it A, macro photography, B, landscape photography, C, wildlife photography, or D, portrait photography? The correct answer is A, macro photography. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.